Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install RAR or Zip file packing and unpacking app on your NUBIA Red Magic 5S. So in order to do that, let's open our Google Play Store, and here we'll need to search for an app. Write RAR and hit the search button. Select this app and press install. After installation process is complete, we can open the app. We'll need to grant the all file access to the RAR app, so simply find it right here. It should be down below under R, so it's right here, and find the permissions and files and media, and allow management of all files, allow. Now if we go back, our app is ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.